All right, good morning. Johnny Hoist here, still working on Naked, still got the bus in the background. Oh, hang on a minute. We got Chill representing. Chill, you gonna smile this morning? Huh. How about a smile? Oh, that's the Chill. Anyway, let's get to business. So, since last we spoke, I got to grab something here. First things first, that's 1/2 inch, flexing, snap on. So we have doubled up out back, actually all the way up front. Got to put back together that far. We got to go pick up some more hardware. That runs all the way up under the front. Yes, I'm not done, but that's a decent look at how that's going to come out. And then of course that guy has got to get flipped over and figured out for the middle. Now this side's going to be a little harder, and I held up. I've been wanting to get to this point so you guys could kind of see the process. Again, there's our split frame rail, and as you'll notice, our other split frame rail. And see how the holes are off just a little bit? That's because we raised it 1/4 inch. But what I have done to counteract that is when you look at that hole, that's one of my spring perches. The OG hole behind it, I will fit it to. You know, I will trim this to match up to the inside hole. And same thing with any of my other important holes. That way, I'm still using the OG frame holes. And basically all we've done is used bolts, vice grips, C-clamps, got it in there. When I really start working on it, if I have any gap here, I'll just put a bolt and suck it in. This side's looking like it's going to fit up nice. Over top of the rivets, did it a little different on this side. I like that a lot better. Again, this way we haven't molested the factory frame. Tire holder's going bye-bye. This side sucks because I will have to drop the gas tank. The other side, I pretty much got top and bottom all welded in as it sits. Didn't have to pick up the cab. This side, that gas tank got to move. Otherwise, again, what we've been doing is... this one I only got one bolt in it, but I left the bottom side bolts in them, popped the rivets. That end, I kept, just to keep the spring kind of located, but we will get the bottom fitted in, get it all set up, then we'll go back and worry about holes and deal with most of that. Otherwise, I've been kind of playing with the die grinder and a little bit matching up some of them just to, like the big square hole there, we'll probably fill that in, maybe make it look a little prettier. Anything that I'm not using, you know, shit like that, probably, those I think are overload. That's overload. Like I said, anything that we don't use, those are shock mounts. Anything that we don't, any holes that we don't use, we're gonna burn them in solid. I may come back and just burn in these top ones, but again, we've got it. Zoom me. This sucker should be pretty strong, so we're gonna hope. Other than that, we picked up our pedal set so we can put a standard in it. Still toying whether I'm gonna build a bed or modify, because I do got one out back that I could use. So, all right, guys. Glad to talk to you. We're here representing Hoist, help from Bulldog, and of course, Woo Woo. We're just working on old Naked. We're gonna get her. It might be a minute, but we're moving along good. I think I'll be fitting up the wheel lift mount hopefully in a day or so. So anyway, you guys stay safe. Hopefully we'll see you up the road.